Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play FarmVille 2. You've inherited a beautiful farm, and it's up to you to bring it to life. Start by selecting your farm setting, then prepare your land for planting. You'll need to plow empty plots and water your seeds to help them grow. Once your crops are ready, harvest them to gather valuable ingredients and earn your first coins. It's a wonderful journey to build your dream farm. Now that your farm is set up, let's dive into the heart of farming. You can plant a variety of crops, from quick-growing corn to longer-term strawberries, each offering unique rewards. Don't forget your animals. Feed your chickens, cows, and sheep regularly to collect fresh eggs, rich milk, and soft wool. For example, a sheep can yield about 6 units of wool every 60 minutes. These products are essential for your farm's success. Beyond selling raw produce, crafting is a fantastic way to boost your farm's profits. Head to your kitchen or other workshops to combine ingredients. For instance, 2 units of wheat can make flour, or 3 units of cow milk can become butter. These crafted items, like a delicious apple pie or savory goat cheese, fetch much higher prices. As you gain experience, you'll unlock many more exciting recipes and buildings. As your farm flourishes, you'll want to expand. Clearing new land plots requires specific items and a certain amount of coins, opening up more space for crops and animals. Leveling up also unlocks new features and areas. Don't farm alone. Visit your neighbors to lend a hand and earn rewards. You can also join a co-op to work with other farmers, completing shared orders for even bigger prizes. Happy farming!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.